Do you want to use Instagram Blend? You can use the Blend Reels sharing feature on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To use the Instagram Blend feature on Reels. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on the messages icon at the top right corner of the home screen. Now, open a chat with a friend you want to create a blend with. Inside the chat, tap on the blend icon at the top of the chat conversation screen. A new screen appears. From here, tap on the invite option. Instagram will automatically generate a blend option in your chat conversation. Before starting the blend reel video, your invited friends first need to accept the invitation. Once the invitation is accepted, tap on Go to Blend from your chat conversation. You and your friend will see a custom set of reels that match both your tastes. If you like the blend, you can continue sharing and watching together. You can create a new blend anytime by repeating the same steps. Now, you and your friend can enjoy personalized reels together using Instagram Blend.